Welcome to our channel Box Office Release. Let's start the video now. Renewed early in 2021 for every other season, the hit series The Blacklist Season 9 will arrive on October 21st of 2021. The new episodes might not come quickly sufficient for enthusiasts of the lengthy jogging crime drama, who's long been addicted to the relevant thriller of the enigmatic, interesting major character. With Season 9 premiering this fall, it is clear for visitors to now surprise approximately a potential Season 10. What will the display seem like after every other season of surprising betrayals and clean plot twist? Here's what we understand approximately about the discharge date, the cast, the plot lines of Season 10 of The Blacklist. With Season 9 now no longer premiering on NBC until October, the community has not formally renewed The Blacklist. This is for the 10th season of TV yet. There are some probable elements in why NBC has not ordered any other season. For one, it's an almost decade vintage drama, and while it has been strong and decent sized score for years, the agency may also want to peer the scores. Moreover, the early unaired Season 9 episodes are like first trailer, then they determine to make any other season. The Blacklist stays a famous streaming desire on Netflix, and this provides every other motive why NBC should pick to resume it for the 10th season. Assuming Season 9 keeps the display streak of top viewership, it can assume every other season of the hit drama to be at 2020, because it takes lots of attempts to make 18 to 20 episodes of a TV a year. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. The Blacklist is targeted around Raymond Red Reddington, an infamous crook and fugitive who has given himself as much as the FBI, alongside the blacklist of the title, an extended listing of risky criminals and terrorists he has acknowledged and related with. Over the direction of the display, Red aided the FBI in apprehending those individuals, albeit the use of his personal unconventional methods, while the thriller of his hobby in FBI profiler Elizabeth Keene turned into step-by-step revealed. Obviously, the imminent season will decide the maximum of the storyline in Season 10, however, it appears every probable that the display will maintain awareness on the Red and FBI group he assist, whilst constructing at the massive revelations made beyond Red's on the give-up of Season 8. One query stays after all: if the actual Red died long ago, then who precisely took his identity? Thank you for watching the video till end. For more box office movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.